Hello, hello, good morning. Leftover lechon, our avocado, lettuce, olives, tomato salad, and our hindi nawawala at walang kamatayang sunny side up eggs. Let's go. This is our low carb food. Salad, avocado, leftover lechon, and sunny side up eggs. Kaon tanyo, low carb meal. Ako lang sang olive oil ang aton nga salad, lemon and salt. Bye, thanks for watching.